Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make burritos in an air fryer. First, gather all your delicious ingredients. Make sure any meat or beans are fully cooked and cooled to prevent soggy burritos. You'll also want to preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This initial step is crucial for achieving that perfect crispy exterior and evenly heated interior. Let's get started on assembling these tasty treats. Now let's assemble your burritos. Gently warm your tortillas for about 15 seconds in the microwave. This makes them easier to roll without tearing. Place your desired fillings like seasoned rice, beans, and cheese in the center. Remember not to overfill. Fold in the sides, then roll tightly from the bottom up, ensuring all ingredients are securely tucked inside. A well-rolled burrito stays together beautifully. It's time to air fry. Lightly brush or spray your assembled burritos with a small amount of oil, like olive or avocado oil. This helps them achieve a beautiful golden brown and crispy exterior. Place the burritos seam side down in your air fryer basket, ensuring they don't touch. Cook them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 12 minutes, flipping them gently halfway through. You're looking for a perfectly crisp shell. Your delicious air-fried burritos are ready. Let them cool for just 2 to 3 minutes before serving. This helps the filling set and prevents burns. Enjoy them with your favorite toppings like fresh salsa, sour cream, or creamy guacamole. For any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Reheat them in the air fryer for a quick, tasty meal. Enjoy your homemade burritos.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.